Okay, so hello guys, how are you? It's Vedansh, and first of all, I welcome to all of you in my spoken English YouTube channel. So I am making this video after a long time, and the reason is this because I was in depression and anxious and a lot of unnecessary and unwanted things. So what I have done in this a large gap, just I felt ill in this gap, and that's why I was not make any type of video. And you know that in this gap, like something 4 or 5 months, I also forget how to speak good English. If you watch my older videos, so my English was very good, and I was comfortable to speak English. Why? Because at that time I was doing practice a lot, and I never miss any day for practicing. I had a schedule at that time, but now in this 4 or 5 months I haven't do any practice of spoken English. I just take a long break from spoken English. That's why my English is not so much good. I can't speak properly or in fluent way. You know the what is the reason behind it, that I never do any type of practice in these couple of days. I never follow the routine, my daily routine of spoken English. That's why. But now I decided that I will return back, and I will make videos on YouTube about spoken English, and I will start my new journey again. So friends, you know that I am very sad that in this YouTube channel I have uploaded totally I think 132 133 videos, but my subscriber is less than my videos. I don't know that why people not subscribe me, because you know that I think most of the people are new in my YouTube channel, because my all the previous subscribers are dead. I know, because I never upload video. That's why nobody watch my video, or YouTube will not notify my any of the previous subscriber about my video. So first of all, let's I want to give my short introduction in front of you. Okay guys. Okay, so my name is Vedansh. My full name is Vedansh Kushwaha. I belonged to UP Shahjahanpur. In UP, there is a small district named Shahjahanpur. We known this district as a city of warriors, because there in my district there are three warriors who play a major role in oh, sorry, I have forget its name, but now I remember. Kakori train action. So uh, these three warriors are Ashfaqullah Khan, Thakur Roshan Singh, and Ram Prasad Vismil. So I am proudly saying that these three warriors are from my city, who played a major role in Kakori train action. And I again proudly said that I have completed my 2 year in that government school in which he read anytime. Okay guys, so I belonged to Shahjahanpur. If I talk about my education, so I am currently doing 12th class. I am studying in a government Hindi medium school of UP board. Actually, I hate my school. I properly hate my school. I don't like this education system. So it is the main depression. I mean, it is the main reason of my depression. My study. I can say that my education system, our Indian education system, is my main reason for my depression, because actually I belong to a poor family. So in my family there is no any support for me. Actually I am alone. I have two brother, my parents, but in logically I am alone. You know why? Because I haven't support anybody. I have completed my all school education, like from first to 12th in a government school. I don't like to study. Yeah, from first to 8th I study in a English medium school. So it was good for me. So I thanked my parent that from first class to 8th class they teach me in a good and English medium school. That's why I'm so much sincere. I'm so much respectful, and my nature is so much friendly, because I studied in good school. From childhood I met good children. I make good friends, but when I was in 8th class, when I have just completed my 8th class, my parents took me in a government school. The main reason is lack of money, and the second main reason is coming of coronavirus, because at that time corona was started. So the main reason is that I want English. Actually I know that Hindi is our native language, our mother tongue language, but I want to learn a new skill. Actually, I like English language, so I want to study in English medium. But because of the lack of money, it was not possible, and I unluckily completed my all the education from government school. But you know that I am a good student. That's why I collected a lot of awards and certificates from that schools. I changed in these 4 years. I changed 3 schools. In one school, I totally waste my 1 year. Like 9th and 10th, I have studied in one school named Janta Inter College from my city, and 11th class. Uh, Actually, I came to a school for admit myself in 11th class. I have read the whole year, but at last I never give any exam because I was in depression. I don't want to study more. But my parents shouted on me, and I again go to new college. I admitted myself again in other college named SP College, like Sardar Patel Hindu Inter College. It's also a government college. So so in that way I have completed my education. Now I'm in 12th class. I have never studied. But the main reason to speak English, to learn English, that I haven't any type of skill. As you know that I was good student, not at that time. Now I'm not a good student. My marks, like my 11th class marks was not good. In my 10th class I found out I achieved 89 percentage in my board class, and in my science I collected 90%, math I collected 90%, SST I collected 83%. So this is my total, like my totally marks is 88%. So it was my 88.83 means 89%. So it was my marks in my high school, but in 11th class I collected only 59% in all subjects. So it was poor for me. So that's why I decided to learn English, because I know that English, actually I am also a good artist. My art is also very good, so that's why I also made a lot of arts. If you ask me, I will show you my art. So my art is also very good, and beside my arts, my explanation, my coach of knowledge, like my experience, these all are very good. I can explain anything properly. If you only tell me few information about anything, I will and if anybody ask me about this, I will show him in a very perfect way. Okay, so this is my second skill. And English is my third skill. I also want to learn English, because now I haven't any choice. I know that if I can't learn English, if I will not be able to speak English in future, so I will be unemployed because I haven't any skill. That's why I'm learning English. If you also same as me who don't like education system, or suppose if you like education, so as you know that English is very important, so why you not subscribe my channel, like my video? Please yaar, please subscribe my channel and press the bell notification, because I will teach you how to speak English. As I told you that I am also studied from government school, but I can speak I have confident. I am fluent in English, but my English is not good. I know about this. If you also want to speak English, so please subscribe my channel, and you can ask me any type of question. I have also wrote my own book on spoken English. I will send him when I was turn 18. Now I'm not 18. I'm 17 years old. When I will be 18, then I publish my English spoken book, which I written by myself. It was my experience how to learn English without teacher, without any support, by your own. Actually, this video is very long now, so it's time to end of this video. So guys, bye bye. Meet you again in the next video.